What's going on, Pocket Theory? It's your main man, Suds, coming to you from the Tinker Closet here in my home office in Austin, Texas. What are we talking about today? Well, I've been saying for several years now, it has never been a better time to be a pocket knife collector. And I'm going to extend that sentiment to the entire realm of everyday carry. It has never been a better time in human history to be an EDC hobbyist than it is right now. Whether you're into pew-pews or pocket knives, watches, wallets, keychains, small tools, or like me, you just enjoy experimenting with different carry options or building out useful kits and pouches, there are more companies in the everyday carry marketplace than at any prior point. And as a result, there are more products available to EDC consumers than ever before. Capitalism isn't a perfect system, but in this particular case, all of this competition and innovation has resulted in a lot of fun options for us EDC shoppers. Case in point, CROM Tools.
CROM.
No, it's pronounced CROM.
Shiny and chrome.
Yes, exactly. CROM Hand Tools is a brand known for professional-grade, durable, and affordable tools like ratchets, sockets, and wrenches. They are a company focused on value, offering quality engineering and durability without premium pricing. And many of their products come with a limited lifetime warranty, something that I wish more companies were doing, quite frankly. CROM does operate as a US-based company. Their website is managed out of Southern California, but with regard to their manufacturing, they primarily source their tools from Taiwan. CROM, quality built to last. CROM first hit my radar when I saw this gimbal palm ratchet on Amazon. The gimbal is pretty sweet. If you got a socket in your pocket, you can just clickety-clack it on, and then you've got some ratcheting action in the palm of your hand. But why do they call it the gimbal? Because it swivels around in all kinds of fun directions, so you can definitely get into tight spaces and all kinds of cramped little areas. And as you can see, it's like a gimbal. It's got all kinds of tilting and swiveling action going on inside the mechanism. It's just an interesting little tool with a lot of EDC potential. Now, heads up, they may be discontinuing this gimbal palm ratchet soon, so get it while you can. But CROM has also come out with a mini ratchet set. Thank you for your purchase. But what is it? Well, look what we have here. Now, this may look familiar to some of you. Its design is very similar to the 711L mini ratchets that I have featured on this channel many times, but there is one major difference. CROM Tools has provided a T-bar, which is something that the EDC community has been asking 711L to do for a while now. Of course, they were nice enough to provide some instructions, but this little extender is a nice complement to the mini ratchet. CROM is selling this as a set at a very affordable price on Amazon. Of course, there will be a link in the description. You should follow it and buy something if you want to help support the channel. Why would you want a little T-bar? Well, one of the EDC community's most favorite ratchets is the Icon set that is sold at Harbor Freight. And one of the reasons people like it so much, aside from the fact that it's very affordable, is it comes with this T-bar accessory. So you can insert it in here and get some major torquage if you need it. CROM has just taken that concept and reduced it, so you now have a small extension that you can use to give your ratchet a full-size grip. Or you might be able to see the markings here. You line that side up with the white dot and it goes right in, and now you've got some extra torque on your mini ratchet. This is a great set, and it is $25 on Amazon. I think that's an incredible price. You can use this as a standard bit driver with the extension, and of course you can just stick your bit in this end and use it as a ratchet. Fantastic ratcheting action from the CROM Tools mini ratchet. The T-handle also works as an extender for the ratchet side, and you can just shove it all the way through for that extended grip, and it does feel pretty nice when you grab it. Grab it like you want it and hold it tight. With regard to that EDC marketplace competition and innovation I was referring to earlier, not to be outdone, 711L has also recently come out with their own T-bar accessory to complement their mini ratchets. I'm gonna have to get a hold of one of their T-bars to see how these tools stack up head to head. Now, despite the fact that these two companies are directly competing against one another in the marketplace, I am of the opinion that there is plenty of room at the table for everybody to eat. And the real winners in this scenario are the hobbyists. 10 years ago, the options were jack shit. 5 years ago, the options were still not great. The last couple of years, the EDC marketplace has literally exploded with options, and you and I, the EDC shoppers, are the beneficiaries. If you are in the market for a mini ratchet and you're thinking about adding one of these to your EDC or one of your kits, take a look at CROM Tools on Amazon. The price is very affordable. The warranty is good. It comes as a set with this T-bar extender, and I think it's a great option. Definitely use the links in the description and check them out.
And if you do not listen, then the hell with you.
When it comes to quality mini tools, just remember to think outside the box, be creative with your gear, and have fun with your EDC. This is Such with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.